problem I'm looking at on my Golf today is that the rear door, the simple locking works and it unlocks the door, but the outside handle isn't opening. You can open from the inside, but the outside handle isn't working. So I suspect a clip has come off somewhere inside, or something is broken, but the central locking is working, so it doesn't appear to be a fault with the locking mechanism itself. This plug, which is in the outside trim, the rubber that goes all the way around the outside of the door, so if you just pull that off, there is a bolt in there that needs to be slightly undone, which will then allow you to remove this piece of the handle. You can hear as that comes, it's just not clicking in properly, so hopefully getting that off will give us access to the side of the door handle there. So the screw at the other end is a Torx T20, and it's just a case of slowly undoing it. You don't want to undo it too far, because it may then drop into the door cavity. It's just enough to be able to loosen. If you're constantly feeling how loose, or whether this is getting loose, as you're turning on the other side, you'll eventually get to a point where you feel this release, and you can then just get this under and pull that out, and that then gives you access to be able to look at the mechanism. And I can immediately see what the problem is here. So you can see here there's a plastic bead that fits into the door handle, and that had come loose, so every time you pull the door handle it was slipping rather than actually catching in place. So that now is back in there, and hopefully that will sort the problem out. It's a case of putting this back in, just gently slide it in, and we then need to tighten it up on the door lock. So taking the Torx T20 again, just put that in and then